After 3 days, we're going to meet up. Okay? Only 3 days.
This is Kiran, by the way.
Meet me.
Let's do it. Thanks for
I'll do that.
arranging everything. I'll go and meet Sam now.
Cool.
Chalo.
Since we could only start by afternoon, we broke our ride to North Sikkim into 2 legs. A point-to-point run from Gangtok to Ringim, and the next day, a short 3-hour ride to the picturesque town of Lachen.
So we reached Gangtok at around 4 o'clock. So after reaching Gangtok, we just threw our bags, freshened up, and then met Kiran. Kiran took a couple of drinks with Kiran, and then he took us to meet his friends. Just sitting and talking and sharing stories till 1:30 in the night. That's why I was not able to log anything. But amazing people. The experience so far has been so good. Not just the views, just the warmth here in Sikkim. That's why we keep coming back to this place. Beautiful people inside and outside is what I would say. So we are ascending towards Mangan. Mangan should be around 60 kilometers. We've been lucky enough so far to avoid rain, but I think today is the day we'll lose that luck. Raindrops are falling. Raindrops are falling on my head. ठंडी की और पानी की तैयारी कर ले आरती मेरे को लगता है पैंट्स निकाल देने चाहिए I look stupid, don't I? So Himalayan music system. चलते हैं. I notice a change in costume. Colorful clothes now. सच है समय का ही सब दोष है. I like that song. रुका हूँ. Cute.
Just about when we had started to enjoy the weather, the rain stopped. We had covered about 35 kilometers in the past 2 hours, so we decided to stop for lunch. Ringim was only 25 kilometers away.
बस और क्या चाहिए? Okay, so time is 4:15 and Ringim is another 30 odd kilometers I think. यहाँ पे बैठ के तेरे फोटो खिंचवाया था उस पे. दोनों तरफ से रास्ता जाता है इसलिए. So our plans have changed a bit. So the road to Ringim is closed because there's a construction going on the road itself, so it's completely blocked. So we decided to double back and reach Mangan, but we don't have a stay arranged in Mangan yet. So we've called up Kiran, our best friend in Sikkm, again to make arrangements for that, and he said he could get us a room. And we're just sitting and waiting here. It looks like a very boring spot. There's not much to do, anything. I mean just you know looking at the mountains and watching a game.
I love it.
Yeah, very boring by our standards. Yeah.
We couldn't reach Ringim, we couldn't find fuel at Mangan, and we were yet to find a stay for the night. At least we had something to keep our mind off all the worries. Hopefully, tomorrow will be a better day.
So now the time is 11:20. I know it's pretty late, but Lachen is just approximately 2.5 hours away from here. So we'll try to reach Lachen by 4 maximum. Lachen is about 56 kilometers from here, and the roads are decent. It rained a lot last night, so apparently the locals tell us that if it rains in the night, the weather should be clear throughout the day.
We encountered decent roads from Mangan, with light traffic and an occasional bad patch, as one would expect from mountain roads.
Okay, this is very distracting, the view here. It's a sad thing to say that the view is distracting, that's what we're here for, but that's how it is. Wow. The dogs must be crazy. Lachen 38, Lachung 32, Thangu 70, and Gurudongmar 106. Alright. Yes. Road condition all good. Perfect. We just showed our permits. You need to get your original stamp and then submit a copy of the original here. If you don't get your original stamp, they will send you back from the next checkpost. So this is mandatory, don't forget. And always keep your originals to your heart, unless you want to spoil your trip. Today is Wednesday. Yeah? We are in the clouds, man. Don't you realize that we are in the clouds? तो हम गलती से लाचुंग के रास्ते पे आ गए. Aarti is blasting music to entertain ourselves. अपना स्पीकर पहन के चलो. What is this, man? Bloody BS4. What rapids are these, man?
Although we didn't plan it this way, we soon realized it was going to be a ride, stop, stare, repeat kind of day. It didn't matter. We had nothing but time.
ये हम ले रहे हैं एक अजीब सा डिटोर. हाँ आ जाएंगे ऊपर, आना ही पड़ेगा ऊपर, और ऑप्शन कहाँ है. So Lachen is about 23-24 kilometers from here. Let me show you around a bit. So the time right now is 1:40. To take us another hour to reach Lachen. Unreal. We are 7 kilometers away from Lachen. It's just 2 o'clock. This went better than we expected. Now one thing we need to figure out is where to get fuel, and then we are sorted. पोस्ट है क्या? चाय पीना है क्या यहाँ पे?
पी सकते हैं।
हेलो सर।
हेलो बाइक का डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए।
हाँ जी सर, यहाँ पे पेट्रोल मिल सकता है कहीं पे आके?
यहाँ पे पेट्रोल नहीं मिलेगा।
कोई गांव में भी नहीं मिलेगा?
नहीं।
Oh, it's in clouds. I'm excited to see Lachen again. The Himalayan continues to glide through all this rocks and mud. Woo-hoo! Won't come closer or I'll have to go.
पेपर्स गिर गए, परमिट गिर गए, परमिट कैसे गिरे मुझे पता नहीं।
Now we're lucky that we even noticed. She noticed, but the piece of paper lying there are our permits. That would mean we'd have to turn back right now. Lachen is at around 2,600 meters or 9,000 feet. 2,750, I stand corrected. Oh God, this is God. Check post. Yes, our permits checked and stamped. This is Lachen. Not sure where we go. Oh, Lachen has developed a lot since last time. How are you?
Sikkm is so good.
Aarthi, what are you doing?
Walking
Oh,
through the
sis.
clouds.
Yes, that was the answer I was expecting. हल्का सा पीक दिख रहा है ऊपर. So it was completely flooded with clouds with hardly 10 meters of visibility about 10 minutes ago. Now it has started to clear up and we can finally see the peaks. And there is one happy puppy. Lachen has given us more than what we had expected, so I'm very happy.